Hi, I'm Mike Stark from Bill Caldwell Ford, and this week for Feature Friday, we're going to talk about the optional wireless charging pad found in many Ford vehicles. We're in a new Ford Explorer today with the wireless charging pad, and if you have a smartphone that's capable of wireless charging, it's as simple as taking your phone and placing it on the charge pad. Now, depending on which Ford vehicle you might be interested in, that charge pad may be in a different spot. But on this Explorer, it's just as simple as setting it on the back edge of the console, just like this. Depending on your phone case, some phone cases might be thicker than mine, and then it would be a matter where you might have to take your phone case off in order for the charging to begin. But regardless of which phone you have or which charging system you have, you always have the ability to plug it into one of the USB ports to charge also. So that's it for today's Feature Friday. I'm Mike Stark of Bill Caldwell Ford. Have a great week.